In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QuickBooks account in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, or just getting started with financial management, QuickBooks is a powerful tool that can help streamline your accounting needs. Let's dive right in and get your account up and running. First off, we need to navigate to the QuickBooks website. It's here that you'll find all the information you need to make an informed decision about using their services. QuickBooks offers a range of features including invoicing, expenses tracking, and even payroll processing, making it a comprehensive solution for your business finances. Once you've landed on the QuickBooks homepage, look for an enticing offer, a free 30-day trial. QuickBooks provides this trial period so you can explore all its functionalities and decide if it's the right fit for your needs without any initial financial commitment. Click on Start a free 30-day trial to proceed. This option allows you a hands-on experience with the software, ensuring you can test out every feature thoroughly. After selecting the free trial, you'll be taken to a page where you can start the actual sign-up process. Here, click on Start Free Trial to initiate the setup of your new account. QuickBooks might offer different plans during this process. However, the trial allows you access to all features for the duration, giving you ample scope to explore. This step is critical. Typing in your email address. Make sure you use an email that you regularly check, as QuickBooks will send important notifications and account information to this address. Accurate email entry is crucial for account recovery procedures and to receive updates on new features or changes in the service. Next, it's time to get personal enter your first name in the designated field. Following this, you'll also need to type in your last name. These details help personalize your QuickBooks experience, ensuring that all correspondence from QuickBooks is appropriately addressed. Securing your account is paramount, which brings us to setting up a strong password. Choose a password that is difficult to guess and contains a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. A strong password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access to your financial data. Lastly, QuickBooks asks for a phone number. This additional piece of information enhances the security of your account. It may be used for verification purposes or in case you need to recover access to your account. With all the essential details entered, you're almost at the finish line. Look for a button labelled One More Step and click on it. This action moves you forward to the final stages of the account creation process. Finally, QuickBooks may request a few more details to complete the setup. This could range from additional personal information, your business type, or how you plan to use the service. Filling these out will tailor the QuickBooks experience to your specific needs and preferences. And that's it. You've just created your QuickBooks account. Now take the time to explore the platform, set up your business, and begin utilizing the wide array of features QuickBooks offers. From creating your first invoice to linking your bank accounts for real-time financial tracking, QuickBooks is designed to make your financial management smoother and more efficient. Before wrapping up, a few tips to enhance your QuickBooks experience. Firstly, take advantage of the Resource Center and tutorials QuickBooks offers. They're designed to help you get the most out of the software. Secondly, if you're unsure about any feature, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support. QuickBooks prides itself on providing helpful, timely support to its users. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has helped demystify the process of setting up a QuickBooks account, and you're now on your way to streamlined financial management with one of the most powerful tools in the industry. Remember, investing a little time now in setting up and learning your way around QuickBooks can save you a lot of time and hassle down the road, making your business operations smooth and efficient.